Welcome to the channel. If you got the temporary closed banner on Google Maps, I'm going to show you how to change that. Okay, so there are different permissions over here. So if you're an owner, you need to access your Google business profile and enter with your account details. Now go to the info tab where you can manage your business details and your operating status. Go and click on the mark as open button next to your business status to remove the temporarily closed. Alternatively, you can also use the actions drop down menu in the overview tab. Confirm and save your changes, and updates will typically reflect on Google Maps within minutes to a few hours. So if it doesn't show immediately, don't get freaked out. The second thing is, if you're not the owner of that page, so not the administrator, you need to open Google Maps and search for the business currently marked temporarily closed. Click on suggest and edit and navigate to the operating status section. Select reopen or mark as open and then submit. Google reviews users' feedback before any publishing changes are made.